Hello friend, in this video I will show how to install Ubuntu Desktop 24.10 in Proxmox and access this remote for a Windows computer, but you can use that for Mac or another Linux machine you have. This is the way I try to test new versions for Linux before I install in my laptop. So let's go and see the results for this project. In the end of this project, you have the Ubuntu Desktop installed in Proxmox. You go to have the IP for the machine, and if you go to the remote desktop connection, connecting here with the IP. Let me put in my username, Santos, and my password, and this connects for the desktop. And you can see you can use the virtual machine here. And if you like that, you can install your desktop. In this process, you can check and see if you like, and you can install in desktop, or you can use it like that, just for have fun, and for another version for a new system. Let's go to the project. Okay, the first requirement, you need to download the ISO for Ubuntu Desktop 2024.10. You just need to click in this button and they start downloads. You can save it here and they go to download that. But I did that before. In Proxmox, you come into the local and upload the new file. You just download it here and upload that. I have the ISO in here. I do that before. Okay, let's create the virtual machine. Click in create in the top. Okay, the name of the machine will be Ubuntu 24.10. Next, you need to select the ISO. So the desktop, you just upload. You can keep the Linux type and version like default. Next one, don't forget to enable the agents. Okay, for the storage, let's put it the 80 GB. The CPU, I go to use 8 and I want to use my host. So next, memory. Memory, I go to with the 8 GB, and for the network will be the default. So next, you can check all the options you select and finish in here to create the virtual machine. The virtual machine is great. Just start the machine here. Let's go to the console. Let's click in try or install Ubuntu. Okay, let's choose the English for language. Let's keep the sensibility. Keyboard will be English. You go to use the audio connection. Let's select install Ubuntu. Interaction installation. Let's keep it the default. Let's install all the softwares. Let's erase the disk, install Ubuntu. I put my name here, Thiago, and the name of the machine will be Ubuntu 2404. My username will be the same, Tito Santos, my password, and my password again. Next, keep the zone. Let's choose the time zone for your region and install. This is about to take some few minutes. So when it's done, I'll be back with you guys. So the installation is done. Now let's restart the machine. Okay, I put in my password and let's log in the machine. Okay, in the terminal, let's use the root user. Sudo put in my password. Okay, now let's update and upgrade the package. So let's go to make the upgrade for all the pack. The update and upgrade is done. And if you come in here in the summary, they don't show the IP because you don't have the agent installed the machine. So let's go back. With this command, you can install the agent. Okay, you have the agent installed in the machine. Now, if you click to configure if you click in settings and go down to system, so you can go remote desktop, and if you click in here, that's going to go to work. So fast quick and just okay, let's reboot the machine for now and come back to configure the remote app. Okay, you reboot the machine. Now let's log in again. Okay, you back to the machine. If you go to the summary here, you can see the IP for the machine now. So let's go back to the console again. Let's go to settings. In settings system, go to remote desktop. Let's enable here too. And let's change the password. And in here, let's unlock. Let's put in my password. Let's enable. Let's put in my username and my password. Go back, check again. So we have everything configured. So let's come back to the summary. Check the IP 109 at the end. So let's put it in here. 109 connect. So you can see they don't let you connect here for now. So let's go back to the console, close in here, and let's restart the machine again. Okay, the machine restart again, and now let me try to connect. Remember, change for my username, put my password. Okay, yes, continue. I put in my password now. I access my VM with Ubuntu 24.10 with my laptop, and you can use that for any computer you have in your home with the remote access. So you can connect, make some tests. Now I can browse in here, install any applications, and see if I like this OS. And if I like, I can install directly in my laptop. But for now, I just go to use for testing. And if I like, I go to install in my machine. That's it. That's the easy way how to install Ubuntu Desktop in Proxmox with the remote access. All the information will be in my blog post in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and send a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.